Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek Jain and through this video I'm just going to explain how can you set up a Selenium on a Windows machine for Python programming language, and then how can you automate a small, the process for any of the web application or website. So let's quickly jump into the demo part and see how we can just set up the environment for Selenium, right? So the very first thing which you have to do is you have to install the Selenium for Python. So to do that, I'm just going to use pip install Selenium is the thing which you have to do. So the prerequisite is your Python environment should be there, right? So let's see what's the official version, the latest official version of Selenium on Python is 3.1.4.0. So let's see. Okay, to just confirm whether it has been installed correctly or not, what we can do is go to the LDLE, just put Selenium, okay, and then you can do print Selenium dot underscore version. Okay, so now this looks good. So we have a latest version installed. The other thing which we need is, so as we know that Selenium is a framework which actually help us to automate the functional testing of a web application on a website, right? So for web application on a website we need a browser, right? So we have a lot of browser which actually being utilized in the real time, right? So for Selenium also we need a driver for all the browsers. So basically, so how can we see that what all browsers are being supported by Selenium, right? So for that what we can do is we can just import a web driver module of Selenium, and then we can use uh, dir web driver, where it's going to tell what all method it has and what all supportability it has. So as you can see, we have for Android supportability, Chrome, then we have Firefox, Opera, IE, Edge, right? So Safari, so it has almost a supportability for all the browsers. So the next thing is what required is you have to install a driver for your browser, right? So I'm just going to utilize a Chrome driver. So for that, this is the site from where you can just download the web driver for Chrome, and you can just go to here based on the Chrome version you have. So make sure you will be just installing a Chrome driver version based on your Chrome browser version, right? So if it is 75th, then you have to use this one. If it is 76th, then you have to use this one, right? So once you click on this button, you will come down here where you can see, the zip file for the operating system like Windows, Mac, and Linux. So since it's for the Windows, so I've already done it. So I've already installed it. I've already downloaded and I just unzip. So this is my Chrome driver, right? So that is already there. So from prerequisite of the setup perspective, we are done, right? Now let's quickly create a small Python program through which what we're going to do is we are going to just hit one of the website, and let's see whether we are able to do it or not. And we're just going to see some basic functionality to ensure that everything is working fine. And maybe in the next video we will be trying to automate a small process, right? So let's take example of LinkedIn website. So if I go to LinkedIn website, so okay, so what we have to do, just write a small program. First, just write a small program to hit this LinkedIn through Selenium. So for that, what we have to do is from Selenium, we need to import WebDriver, okay, and just save it as Selenium. Okay, and then what we need to do is the next thing we have to define a driver. So let's say, as I mentioned, that we are going to use uh, the driver for Chrome. So for that we have Chrome. Okay, so we have to give an executable path for the Chrome web driver of Chrome. So we have to give executable underscore path equals to, I'm going to use R so that it will take the path whatever we are doing as is, right? So since it is lying here, let me just copy from here. Okay, and paste here. Then I have to give name of the driver. what we have to do. And the next thing is the URL. We have to give the URL. So let me just copy the URL for the LinkedIn. Okay, but make sure you will not be polluting, the LinkedIn website by hitting this, by running this again and again. So try to just do it on your local, website if you have. You just see whether you are able to hit that or not. But just to make sure that everybody can understand, that's the reason I just put the LinkedIn. Okay. So the next thing which we have to do to just see whether that everything has been set up correctly or not, we have inside the driver, we have one company name is get, which actually require a URL, and we need to do this, right? So once that is done, what we can do is we can just ensure that we are getting the title correctly. The next thing is we have to close the driver, but rather than closing a driver, I prefer to quit because it's not only going to close the browser, but it is going to close the Chrome driver as well. So let's save it, and if I didn't make any mistake, then it should run without an issue, and we should be able to see that LinkedIn looks like everything is fine so far. Okay, now you can see Chrome is being controlled by automated way. Okay, so we haven't seen the title, so I just made a mistake. I didn't print it. Let's run it one more time, and we should be able to see the title. Okay, so now we can see LinkedIn login. So this is the title, right? So let's see. This is the title which we get. Yep, you can see on my screen. This is the title, LinkedIn login or sign up. Okay, so this is what we are getting. So it looks like from the setup perspective, everything is working fine. What happens when we don't use or close the driver or close the driver, right? Let's see what happens this time. Okay, because this is really important in real time when we are going to do it. Because if you just keep that open, then it will not be closed or stopped, and keep pile up the drivers and the browser again and again the moment you will be running. See, this particular browser is open and this Chrome driver is also running, right? So it's not getting closed. So the next thing is if you just use this driver dot close, let's see what happens. Okay, and let me just close this manually, and let me just close this browser. So the moment I close it, that's just it down. Let's see what happens this time. What all things get closed or what all things gets cleanly closed. Okay, so we have a browser running. Okay, so it looks good. It's prompting correctly. Okay, so browser is closed, but Chrome driver is still running. So it depends. I mean, right now it's very introductory one. We don't want this driver also to be running. So we just, if there in real time it happens, you have to just close the driver or the browser basically, then you use it. But for now, we will gonna use this quit because it is going to close everything, because we don't have multiple test cases or multiple feature to be tested in one go. So that's the reason we will always use a driver that quit until we just reach to the point where we want that the code driver is still running, right? So there are a lot of stuff which you can find out. For example, if you just wanted to see what all methods we have inside the driver, that also you can find out with this. So let's quickly run it and see what all methods we are having for the driver. So this is not interesting part. The line I added, this dir, that is going to give us what all methods we have. So you can see on my screen there are a bunch of methods which we are going to use. So in the next video, definitely we will see the uses of a lot of stuff, because right now we just hit the website, but we haven't click or utilize or execute any functionality. And to just execute those functionality, you will see a few of the things which I am highlighting: find element by class name and all those stuff. It's really, these are some concepts which you need to know before you actually going to automate this stuff, right? Execute a script, right? So there are a lot of methods which we can utilize. Implicit wait, so there are many more, right? And we're going to see how we can utilize in the next video. So that's it from my side for this particular video. But if you have any feedback or suggestion which you want me to incorporate in my upcoming videos, and if you really feel that incorporating your feedback will make these videos more simpler to understand and more easy to understand, please feel free to do that. The other thing is, if you really like this video, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And as always, thanks for watching this, and keep healthy and stay learning our new stuff. So thanks once again for watching this.